Welcome back to another episode of the Success Playbook, powered by Expertrons and Shine. Today's episode is really close to my heart because we are talking about shaping the future of India, quite literally. Joining me are Preeti ji and Pavan ji, uh, who are visionary leaders with 20 plus years of experience in education. Together, they have built Petals Preschool and Daycare, India's most awarded preschool and daycare chain with over 22 years of trust, 72 awards, 35 plus thriving centers, and 20,000 plus happy parents. We'll dive into their incredible journey, the future of early childhood education, and how you can be part of this legacy. वेलकम प्रीति जी, वेलकम पवन जी, कैसे हो आप लोग?
Thank you so much. Thanks for asking.
Thanks a lot for being part of this podcast, and it's really good to have you as guest on the podcast, and would love to know more about your journey. Let's just dive into it. Uh, Preeti ji, let's start with you. Back in 2003, you started Petals when quality early childhood education was still a huge gap in India. What sparked the idea, and like how did you get into this?
See, it started with my journey of motherhood, right? So when I have my own son, so I was looking for a place because I find him a very, very intelligent boy, right? He was very observant, but the same problem which I think every parent is skeptical about where to spend a quality time. So when I went out for looking for a place so that I can, send him for a structured environment for 2 3 hours or something, then I realized that there's a huge gap. The parents, those who really want to send their children, are facing the problem. Then I left my son in one of the auntie school. She was running a crutch sort of thing for with 5 7 kids. But I already decided that he will go there every day, but somehow in the mind, you know I was very suspicious that this is not the right choice.
Right.
So that's how journey started. Then I started studying about child
Wow.
psychology, brain development and everything. From there, I discussed with my husband, Mr. Pawan Kotra, that let's do something to fill this gap.
That's so amazing and really inspiring to hear that you had a necessity at home and kind of the problem which you were facing yourself and you wanted to solve it and you wanted to do something about it. Many of us, of course, come across a lot of problems, and not everyone wants to kind of solve for it, and that's the difference between an entrepreneur and someone who wants to take the jibe at solving the problem. And you did not just solve it for yourself; you actually ended up solving for lots of mothers who are out there. So really, hats off to that. And again, going back to kind of studying child psychology and kind of approaching it with a scientific approach, really commendable thing which you ended up doing. Pavanji, you have always championed value-based learning, holistic child development. What's your vision when you both started Petals?
Vision and motivation is that when you see kids smiling na, it's the biggest motivation you can say. When you are into school and a lot of kids around you are getting a good smile, basically, it's a good motivation to come to school also, basically.
Wow, wow.
That
No,
basically,
no.
please.
I mean, amazing. I think you've said it in a very beautiful way. I mean, that's what keeps you going to to work every day. Like
Work
lots
every
of
day to
lots of
achieve new
lots of
milestones on a
smiling.
regular basis.
Yeah, yeah.
It's
Amazing,
on a regular basis, basically, you can say.
amazing. No, really good to know that. And looking back, what were the toughest challenges in early years? How did you overcome them, Preeti ji, Pawan ji? What was the journey like?
See, the biggest problem is that at that time awareness was not there. That school is important at this age. Yeah, at that time the trend was that the grandparents were there, and every family has the same problem. They are too young to go, right? अभी थोड़ा टाइम घर बिताने दो and why do you want to send them to the school? School itself is a notion kind, A B C D and 1 2 3. But when I studied now, So at that time, one question was that why parents should trust us, you know. That means if someone is going to provide a very specific kind of education to the children, which is actually making sense at this age, whether it is from environment, whether it is from teaching aids, or whether it is from the well trained educator, then only it will make a sense. In the first month we were having only three kids, one is my son, another is my sister-in-law's son, and one is from the neighbor. And by the end of the first year, and I was having 175 kids.
Oh my God.
That's
Just in
nice.
that one center.
175 kids
That's
just at the one center when we started
Wow.
from our home. So
Wow.
at that time, in the beginning, when I was counseling to the parents and telling them how it will work and how it will function, how it will make a difference in a child life, was
Right.
difficult. But sooner or the later, when I have seen kids playing in our preschool and they are growing day by day, they are achieving their milestone, then
Right.
we have started gaining the trust. And after that, there is no looking back.
Wow, wow, that's so beautiful and good to know. Like how you started with just three kids for the first month and kind of evolved it into such a beautiful business just in a year's time. So that just shows how much confidence the parents kind of placed in you and what kind of quality you were able to deliver in that year. So amazing to know how you grew over time. Petals has touched the lives of over 22,000 parents across India. And if you had to put your mission in numbers, how would you say what kind of mission you're eyeing for? Like how many centers or how many students do you see Petals impacting, say by 2030?
See, now the journey is so inspiring and motivating us every day to achieve new milestone, right? Even inspiring us that we really would like to touch 500 center by 2030, and we would like to touch millions of life, so that we can say that each child has a potential and can grow under the right environment.
Wow, wow. No, that's the beauty of kind of working in education, and of course, given like because in the last 15 years I have worked in education a lot. You're directly impacting children, and of course the first batch you taught, which is like 20 years ago, they are already in colleges and they are doing good things in their
Yes,
careers.
some of the
So
kids are now advocates, some are doctors, some are architect. My son is again an architect.
the
He
best
has
part
wow,
of
good
the journey.
plans.
The best part of the journey is that we started for a son, and now he's an architect.
And
The
he is
wow,
in
best
our
thing to that.
company.
And he
wow.
joined as a study director as a company in the company itself.
Wow, wow, that's so inspiring, and I'm sure a lot of these students keep in touch with you, and like I'm
Yes.
sure, and with this Teachers Day yesterday, I'm sure a lot of them would have sent you Happy Teachers Day, and like they've grown so much. The kind of impact you're creating, I'm sure that's much more than what business you're building because that keeps you motivated, that keeps you going every day.
See, even Bill Gates have also mentioned that first 5 years are more crucial than the university years, because you are building the foundation.
Right. No, no, amazing. I think that's really inspiring and good to know. And I'm sure. I mean, with the quality, with the years you have spent in this domain, I'm sure you'll be achieving these numbers. Whatever we are eyeing for Petals, and I'm sure it's long way to go for Petals. Really inspiring to know that. With innovations like brain aptitude test or AIMS certified nutrition and live CCTV access for parents, you have set a benchmark in the industry. Which of these do you feel is a true game changer for parents?
Two things are two game changers, because nowadays awareness is there, right? And nowadays parents have started realizing, but at the same time there is a one challenge nowadays, that both the parents are working.
Right,
Mothers are also working and fathers are also working, right? But still they want to give best to their child, and there is a security concern. So for them, live CCTV feed is a blessings. It
right,
is a challenge for branch.
right,
Every time you have to be on toes. You can't take a breathing space in that sense, that let the children do something and I am relaxing. No, because live CCTV feed is there. But at the subconscious mind, if you see, it's a blessing for mothers. Right? Now working mother can also give the quality time to the society, because she has studied so well, and to the child also. She will not have that guilt feeling, I'm working, so my child is with maid or my child is at home doing nothing. I'm not able to provide the nutritious meal, because
right,
in our branches that a meal plan has been given by the AIM nutritionist, right? At the same time, parents are also skeptical, right? What kind of a parenting will work with my child? Nowadays, new terminologies are there: helicopter parenting, authoritative parenting. So parents are very confused. Different movies are also there. Tare Zameen Par, and there is Ma movie and all. So, brain aptitude tests actually help the parent to know the strength and weaknesses of the child at this age.
Right. Wow.
So it's not just a one-time activity. After that, we do one-to-one counseling with the parents also. That what kind of your child has a personality trait, and what kind of a parenting will work. Whether you have to involve the child in extracurriculum like paint or something, or in the sports. Right. These are the small thing. Along with that, best part and best ingredients of this recipe is our pedagogy, which is experiential learning. See, this word preschool has word school, but we understand children only learn best with their own experiences. This is not one-way teaching. Any of our branch, if you go, na, teachers are also learning along with the kids. Beautiful mold. It's a beautiful mold that experiential learning, how the children are experiencing different, learning which they have in class. 10 students have different kind of their own experiences
Right.
because they're involved with their five senses. So this is the best ingredient experiential learning, like live CCTV feed and brain aptitude test. These are the toppings which help parent to have a trust on us.
Wow.
Actually discuss that you are a parent of 2 years old child basically. If you are aware that what are the basic you can say traits of your child, what's the interest of your child, it will be a better way to nurture your child in a better manner.
110%. Yeah, yeah, and very, very beautifully put by both of you, Preeti ji and Pawan ji. I think it's very critical. Like 110%, it's very critical for parents to feel more involved, parents to feel more security, more comfort in leaving their child with you. And of course, like being a father of a 20 months old, I know this very closely, and it's surely good for the mothers. But frankly, now fathers who are getting more involved in their kids' journey, they,
Awareness is
I
there,
mean,
no?
I have a camera open all the time to kind of look at my daughter. So it's very good for both the parents to just feel that okay, the child is feeling safe, she's in a right environment, or he is in a good comfortable setting, and that's the kind of setup where you get a confidence on an institution like Petals that they'll do justice to the education of the child, the nutrition of the child, and then it's so beautiful to see that you've well thought through what parents are going through and what kind of gaps which are there in the market.
Here at one point of time we got a complaint. So
Yeah.
why? Because camera was open in front of Dadi, you know, and Dadi is saying कि टीचर ने सारे बच्चों को गोदी में उठाया, मेरी ग्रैंड डॉटर को नहीं उठाया.
Wow.
तो एक एनेक्डोट ऐसा आया हमारे पास केस स्टडी की, एक मदर जिसने एडमिशन कराया था मील प्लान को देखकर, बट उसने
Yeah.
चैलेंज किया था कि माय चाइल्ड वोंट ईट एनीथिंग, और जब भी वो कैमरा से देखती थी वो सब कुछ खाता था. एंड शी केम
Wow.
एट आवर ब्रांच एंड शी वाज क्राइंग कि मैं
Wow.
अभी तक इतने 2.5 साल में आराम से बैठ के खाना नहीं खाया, मैं इसके पीछे पीछे घूमती हूँ, मोबाइल दिखाती हूँ, तब इसको खाना खिलाती हूँ, ऑल दो स्टफ.
They very beautifully put, Preeti ji, and it's really good to kind of the kind of confidence which a parent might get आप मतलब आपका center देख के या आपके center में जो activities हो रही हैं वो देख के there's a lot of confidence which they also get कि नहीं and also there's a lot of social angle to it because जब वो चार बच्चे बैठ के टेबल पे अच्छे से खा रहे हैं वो पांचवा बच्चा भी देखेगा यार मुझे भी बैठ के आई नीड टू हैव द न्यूट्रिशन आई नीड टू काइंड ऑफ ये ऐसे ही खाया जाता है पीछे भाग के या टीवी देख के नहीं खाया जाता है सो
You
so
can call it
that's
peer
very
group learning basically. It's a peer group learning.
100% and really beautifully put and I'm sure like a lot of parents who are who and I can imagine a parent kind of tearing up because वो उन्होंने जो जर्नी देखी है या उनके साथ जैसे वो बिहेव करते हैं कंपेयर्ड टू जो स्कूल में बिहेव करते होंगे दैट देयर माइट बी अ डिफरेंस इन
Totally
दैट
different.
आल्सो मैं तो कई बार I speak to my wife and I tell her that my daughter behaves separately when she's with you and when she's with me so वो भी I mean it's जब दोनों पेरेंट्स के साथ ही वो अलग बिहेव करते हैं तो I'm sure
हाँ,
in a group setting there is a lot they can learn it's very important for their early education and आपने ये सब identify किया you've put it in a very beautiful institutional way इसके SOPs बनाए हैं and in each of your center those SOPs are being followed so that's really beautiful to see क्या आपने create किया इसमें, and you have of course created a very strong ecosystem for teachers, staff, and even parents. For freshers who want to work in early childhood education, what are the skills they should focus on? Any advice for freshers जिनको early childhood education में?
यस, आई थिंक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट इज नॉट अ टाइम पास कि मेरी शादी नहीं हो रही तो मैं हाफ डे जॉब कर लूँ। मैंने ग्रेजुएट करा है, आई हैव अ गुड कॉम स्किल, तो मैं टीचर की लाइन में आ जाऊँ। दिस
Hmm.
इज अ वेरी वेरी साइंटिफिक प्रोग्राम, राइट? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू शुड हैव पेशेंस। Secondly, you should have empathy towards this age group, because this is a very very
Right.
tender age, and the learning which will happen at this age, it's impacting their life. See, if a child wants to say something to you, but with not only with language, but the child is
Right.
pulling clothes, or child crying, or showing emotions or communicating, so you should be intelligent enough, trained enough to understand those emotions, because parents are trusting us. So it is our almost responsibility that we should train ourselves first to understand. Children have 100 languages to communicate, so that we can deliver that thing. Nowadays,
Right.
awareness is there. Parent can sense it whether you are doing it right or wrong, and even
True.
children can sense it. वो अपनी फेवरेट टीचर के पास इसीलिए जाना चाहते हैं, वो फेवरेट इसीलिए है बिकॉज दैट टीचर अंडरस्टैंड्स चाइल्ड इमोशंस।
That's so amazing. That's very nicely put.
Teacher is able to make a connect with the child, so that
True.
is why mothers are ready to send. So
True.
those who really want to come in, they should take proper training. A lot of good courses, certificate courses, diploma courses are available.
Right.
Although in our system also, once you are enrolled with Petals,
Right.
we also have a 40 hour of on-job training.
Wow. Okay. Amazing. No, that's really beautiful and really important for, of course, freshers who want to get into the early childhood education. And good to know that from you. Many of our listeners who are young professionals, like they want to know that how important is upskilling, whether through early education courses, psychology, or even leadership training, to succeed in this space. Like how important is upskilling? Yeah.
If you are a passionate, money is not the foundation. Nowadays, there are so many courses are available on different edtech platforms that you can upskill yourself.
Right. Right. No, good to know that. And let's talk business. Like Petals is not just a preschool chain; it's also a great entrepreneurial opportunity. So if someone is listening and they want to launch Petals in their own city, what can they expect? What kind of experience can they expect? And can you guide something through, like someone who wants to kind of start or join your mission with you? Yeah.
For the business or numbers point of view, I think it's a very good business at the time you are serving society, but it's a good business also. Tentative, we are assuring around, it's not a, we are offering, we are assuring around 35 to 40% of ROI in around 9 years basically. But you can earn around 35 to 40% per annum basically. It's a very, very good business for the numbers point of view also.
Time, many a times what happens is mothers used to work before marriage.
Right.
But once they got married, once they have a baby, they think that it is very difficult to go into the corporate job of morning to evening, right? But they want to do something of their own. And this kind of a business is a blessing for females, right? Because in this art product, we are giving a buyback guarantee. We are giving that their money is secure, because ROI guarantee is there. At the same time, they can give the quality time there to the kids also. They really to do on their own. Many a times what happens is they need to borrow money from their in-laws or from their husband or something, and subconsciously from where they are borrowing, they have money, पैसा डूब तो नहीं जाएगा, कुछ कर पाओगे, तुमने कभी बिजनेस नहीं किया. So in Petals, SOPs has been set in such a way that any new person after training from Petals can run this business. So many of our franchisees are hardly coming once in a week or two time in a week to the branch, right?
Right.
Ecosystem and SOP along with the team has been set in such a way that if they are working or they're busy somewhere, they can manage from there also.
Wow, wow. No, that's very beautifully put, Pawanji and Preeti ji. You were adding something, Pawanji.
There are two, three USPs which we
Right,
are announcing the business for the preschools basically. There's a one biggest challenge in the society to get the number of walk-ins, or you can say for the advertising also basically. In this
right.
21st century, advertising also required for the same purpose, time for
True.
the admission of the business, you can say.
Right.
In this business, we are assuring you 100% marketing done by pedals only. You need not to do it any marketing. You need to do a zero marketing for your business. We as a
Wow.
pedals will do all the marketing support for your center basically.
Wow. Wow.
And
Wow.
in case we have a unique feature also, in case the business is not working for you or the promises what we have given to you, you are not able to fulfill the promise, 80% of your money is secured every time at the first 2 years basically. If you invested around, you can say 100 rupees, and the
Right.
business is not working in a way which we guided it, your 80
Right.
rupees are secure. You can come to us that Pavanji, you have not fulfilled your promise and I want to surrender the center. We will buy back your center at the 80 rupees. Your
Wow.
risk is 20%. We are
Wow.
availing the risk of 80% basically at any time of time basically.
Wow. 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 That's really beautifully
Unique
put.
feature basically. It's a
That
unique
that I'm
feature.
sure gives a lot of confidence to anyone who is planning to venture into this or thinking to get into this, because anyone who is wanting to start this, who is wanting to get into starting their own preschool and want to join with the Petals mission, this of course gives a lot of comfort to them, and marketing is very essential, very critical part to it. Getting a marketing support or actually getting an admission support is nothing like it, because
No, 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 no. Jatin, here I would like to correct you. No admission support, admission guaranteed.
wow.
All the branches across Petal. Already we are serving thousands of children, but
Right.
our system is cashless. It's totally managed by tech.
Wow.
We are one
Wow.
of the most tech-enabled company in India as of now. If you talk about the preschool, usually preschools are buying parent app from somewhere, GPS app from somewhere, or they are using app from. But in Petals, everything is in house. We have
Ah,
Petals app, Teachers app, and what do you call that? Root app. So all GPS, teachers update, parents update. Because while you're sitting and talking to us, if your daughter is in a daycare and you got a message that your daughter has finished one chapati of beetroot, you feel like, yes, thank God she had,
true.
right? So this kind of instant updates are also there for the parent, and we are managing from the head office, right? In this, franchisee is not supposed to do chaotic jobs or something. Everything is managed by tech.
Right. That's so beautifully put, and you're using technology to
Right.
a real good use, and that of course gives a peace of mind to the parents, and that's the reason I'm sure parents keep coming back and they keep referring you. So that's really beautifully.
Challenges are there, a lot of operation challenges are there, but to help the franchisee, we are handling this at the head office, right? When your parents are having a problem, behavioral issues or meal issues or safety issues, we are managing one-to-one counseling from the head office.
Wow. 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 नहीं, very amazing. Pawan ji, आप कुछ you were adding something
Same
to it.
time, same time we are trying to secure the basically database also of the parents basically. If you are giving to the third party, basically your data is not secure. Now it's a time for, you can 21st century. Many people are misusing the data also. As being in-house company, it's as being an IT company also, we are managing the data in-house. Data is secure. And like Madam has told about the CCTV feeds, we are not giving the CCTV full access to the parents basically. जिस क्लास में बच्चा आपका जितना टाइम रहेगा उतना टाइम में कैमरा आपका चलेगा बेसिकली. इफ योर चाइल्ड इज रनिंग फ्रॉम 9 to 12 ओनली, यू विल गेटिंग द सीसीटीवी फ्रॉम 9 to 12 ओनली. आपको पूरे दिन में क्या करना है? जब बच्चा आपका 12 बजे चला गया तो शाम को 6 बजे तक सीसीटीवी क्या करेंगे आप उस केस में बेसिकली? All tailor-made concepts. This is हमारे I think different around 7 to 8 apps basically mobile applications जहाँ GPS ट्रैक होता है बच्चों के लिए, विजिटर मैनेजमेंट रहेगा सारा का सारा, पेरेंट्स के लिए
Right.
पेरेंट्स ऐप है, टीचर्स के लिए टीचर्स ऐप है बेसिकली. इट्स ऑल IT enabled company basically. It's a peaceful along with IT company basically we are doing. One more point, Jatan, I'm adding one more point. As if you're taking a franchisee of Petals,
हाँ
basically
जी.
you have a different app for a franchisee also, where
हाँ.
he or she can see each admission and
हाँ.
what are the teachers communicating to the parents also,
हाँ.
how much fees is being collected, what are the fee dues, everything is tech enabled. As a franchisee, if you are not coming to a school also, you can through your mobile application, you can overview your school in a click button only basically.
Wow, wow, wow. Nothing like it. I mean, for someone who is running a business, agar everything is at their fingertips, nothing better than it. So I'm sure it's very lovely for all your partners, and I'm sure they must be really happy with the experience of what they are getting. And of course, ये पूरा ecosystem is really important, because once the partners are happy, once the parents are happy, the children are happy, automatically the family of course expands, and that shows in your legacy. I think आपने जो 20 साल प्लस की जो legacy बनाई है, that has actually happened because of the quality work, because of the technology enablement, and Preeti ji, जो आपने even spending time with the kids and parents, identifying their problems and solving for it. I think nothing could sustain this long, and nothing could kind of grow this long without the right kind of time and effort investment जो आप लोगों ने दिया है. So really good to know the depth at which you have thought of. मतलब भले ही वो पार्टनर के शूज से हो, पेरेंट्स के शूज से हो, या बच्चों के शूज से हो, तो
अभी एक चीज हमारे पूरे इंडिया में कोई भी नहीं कर रहा. इस
हाँ
पूरी
जी.
इंडस्ट्री में सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम ये था, जब बच्चे अपने पेरेंट्स को छोड़ के नई जगह पे जाते थे, तो फर्स्ट फ्यू डेज तक वो क्राई करते रहते थे, बिकॉज फॉर देम टीचर्स एंड एवरीवन इज स्ट्रेंजर,
Right.
राइट? So then we realized then this is not good for their lungs if they cry so much, right? So it was a challenge in the beginning, and it is not even good for their emotional health. We have started one social emotional development connect activity in
हाँ.
which before the child joins in, the teacher visit to the child home.
Oh, wow. Wow.
She will become friend to the child. She speaks with the parents, got to know his or her likes, dislikes, nickname, his favorite toy. How does parents behave when the child throws tantrum? How does the parent talk to the child when child becomes stubborn? So when she spent few hours with the child and the parent, the child got to comfortable. Yes, this didi or this auntie knows to us. Right. So yeah, this is the first time
Basically,
in beginning में teacher security or there were a lot of gaps, and teachers were not comfortable, teachers family is not comfortable. Then we talked to the teachers family that it is good for the children, it is required in this profession,
Hmm.
nobody is doing it. Then I personally had a discussion with few parents, teachers parent. Now it is our in-house activity, and is the only we are the school who is doing it. And now when the beautiful anecdote one branch had shared with me, that ma'am, the very next day when the child come to the school along with the parent, the child is looking for that didi who came yesterday at our place, and child didn't cry, unki finger pakad ke wo andar chala gaya, because
Oh,
child knows,
you might
right?
be have heard
wow.
about the Gurukuls basically.
हाँ जी.
You
हाँ
might be
जी.
heard about Gurukuls. पहले जो
Yeah.
गुरु होते थे अपने शिष्यों को लेने जाते थे, गुरु शिष्य के घर जाते थे पहले. If
Udaharan
you have
karke.
seen, if you have seen Ramayana, if you have seen Ramayana, you can quote it basically easily. जो गुरु थे भगवान राम और लक्ष्मण को लेने उनके घर गए थे, उनको लेके गुरु को लेके गए थे basically.
Wow.
It's a
From there
bonding
I got an
basically.
idea. From there I got an idea.
It's a bonding for the guru with that child. You can have a good
हाँ.
bonding also.
हाँ. हाँ. That's amazing. I think बहुत आपने आप लोगों ने कहते हैं ना घोट के पी लिए इंडस्ट्री, एंड इसके अंदर जो भी इलाज निकाल सकते हैं, यू लाइक अ डॉक्टर, यू हैव काइंड ऑफ ट्रीटेड ईच एंड एवरी कॉर्नर ऑफ की जो भी यहाँ पे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं वो आपने सॉल्व किया. एंड वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल कॉन्सेप्ट. ऑफ कोर्स I've never heard of a concept like this. I think and I can totally imagine कि कितना ज़्यादा comfort आता होगा to the children, to the parents, and just by doing such a beautiful and a small gesture. वो दिखता है बहुत small gesture, but then the impact it creates is huge. मतलब parent को और बच्चों को जो comfort आता होगा, it would, I'm sure, stop a lot of cry which happens on the initial days. So there's a lot of comfort which the parents and children get even before they become part of the Petals family. मतलब
Yes,
आपको
yes.
चालू आपके साथ चालू करने से पहले ही they feel so comfortable कि अरे I mean this is what I want to be part of. So really beautifully.
Same activity, extended version of this feature is that many a time when parents are sending their kids to us, they're very skeptical, हमारा बच्चा सेफ रहेगा नहीं रहेगा, या बच्चे की शॉक्स गीली ना हो जाए, बच्चा डायपर में आता है या खाया नहीं. So we have a very beautiful feature on that day. If you're not satisfied, don't pay.
Wow.
This is the
Wow.
feature which we have in bill. If you're not satisfied, don't pay. On that day, next month, when invoice will be raised, we will not target that day fee. If we have an icon or a button in our mobile app, if parent click that icon, then we minus that what do you call that day fee, and
I,
just
I
answer questions.
wow. This is, I mean, this just shows कि the level of thought जो आपने दिया है कि parents के comfort के लिए और हम क्या क्या कितने 4 step आगे जा सकते हैं, and you've kind of incorporated everything. I think you should also add another feature जहाँ पे अगर मैं बहुत ज्यादा खुश हूँ तो मैं ऐड कर सकूँ कि I add कि मैं इस दिन 2 दिन की फीस देना चाहता हूँ. तो I think तो then पवन जी and आपके जो CFO होंगे वो भी खुश हो जाएंगे कि हाँ now
Jatin ji, we
आपने
are working in Indian marketing basically. Indian marketing we are working with.
We
नहीं
are taking,
नहीं.
we are working very rigorously from last 2 year on NPS, and we are very proud to say that we are running on more than 60% of the NPS. NPS, right? And if you talk about BMW, Apple, or they are running 35 plus, and our NPS is more than 60%.
Wow, wow, wow. That's
वेरी
really.
जतिन, जो आपने
हाँ
कहा
जी.
20 साल की हमारी पूरी आप समझिए पूरी तपस्या मेहनत जो भी सब कुछ है ना हमने सब घोट के रखा हुआ है इसके अंदर सिस्टम में.
नहीं नहीं, बहुत बहुत आई थिंक यू ऑफ कोर्स स्पेंट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. आई थिंक 2 decades इज अ लॉन्ग टाइम जो आपने इंडस्ट्री में बिताया है, और उसको आपने यूज करके एक एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करी है फॉर द पेरेंट्स, एंड फोकसिंग ऑन एनपीएस एंड maintaining a score like this in a service industry. It's very difficult. Service industry, operation, service, it's very difficult. I'm sure बहुत सारे मूविंग पार्ट्स होते हैं, इंक्लूडिंग टीचर्स, इंक्लूडिंग मतलब स्टेक होल्डर्स ही इतने सारे हैं. मतलब आपके
Actually,
टीचर्स अलग स्टेक होल्डर हैं, फ्रेंचाइज पार्टनर अलग स्टेक होल्डर हैं, बच्चा ऑफ कोर्स इज द सेंटर ऑफ इट, एंड देन पेरेंट्स. तो देर आर सो मेनी स्टेक होल्डर्स, और सबको मैनेज करके साथ में लेके चलना टू स्टिल मेंटेन दिस हाई एनपीएस इज रियली ब्यूटिफुल जो आप लोगों ने बिल्ड किया है. एंड आई एम श्योर दिस इज not just a, like it's of course a very good business per se, but it's an institution, it's a legacy जो आप create कर रहे हो. And of course processes legacy जो है that remains other than the founders also. मतलब एक बार वो in place होती हैं तो फिर आप लोग कहीं घूमने भी गए हो तो the those things kind of remain. So that's really beautiful to see how Petals, as of course other than your child, I think this is Petals is another child of yours जो which has grown into something really beautiful, and is of course making you proud every day. So that's really good to see आप लोगों ने क्या build किया है. uh, if I, so there's another question which I have in mind, like why is now the perfect time to invest in early childhood education in India? If because of course partners जो आपके साथ जुड़ना चाहते हैं, आपके मिशन के साथ जुड़ना चाहते हैं, why do you think ये time एकदम perfect time है to kind of invest in the early childhood education?
yes. See, biggest answer of this very question is that Google is there, ChatGPT is there,
Right,
awareness is there, right?
right,
Everybody knows that my child has a potential. So why
right,
not to put the child at the best place?
right,
Because parents has to work also. The
right,
second is that if you have a bone problem, you go to orthopedic,
right,
right? If you have an eye problem, you go to eye specialist, right?
right,
If you have a child, you will go to pediatrician, not to
right,
orthopedic.
right,
Everybody is looking for a specialist,
right,
right? Then why
100%.
not
हाँ
for
जी.
children? Why not for children? Why just send them to any play school, right? Although every third house has a play school, just like a summer camp program,
True.
right? But but we have all have to understand 90% of the brain develops till 6 years of age.
Right,
We should
right,
not just take very lightly to this age group. So now awareness is there. Parents are very well aware. So the entrepreneur, like I will say, inspiring entrepreneur, those who want to start a preschool, should start at the right time. If you have the locality, if you are living in a whether metropolitan city, whether tier 2 city, tier 3 city, or a village, kids are everywhere. This industry is of 25,000 crore, right? Actually the right time. Parents are looking for specialists. Parents wants to send their children to the best place, whether it's a
right,
K-12 school or a preschool. They are looking for the trained people, those who can actually make utilize of each minute.
right,
You are asking child every day, close the door, close the door. You will observe after 3 months the child starts speaking, right?
right.
You start saying the child, don't disturb, don't disturb. After 3 months, the child will say, don't disturb. This much, so that means child is observing everything.
True,
It is the
100%.
parent's responsibility to put the child at the right place, and it is a right entrepreneur responsibility to give the right thing to the children. Just like grocery shop is required everywhere, mobile shop is required everywhere, so right preschool is required everywhere. Even the parents, those who have grandparents at home, they also realize. They also realize. And so it is a very important to have a good preschool, I think after every 2 to 3 kilometers, because parents are not ready to send their child beyond 3 kilometers. After
True,
every 3 kilometer, one petals is required in India.
true, true, true. नहीं बहुत. I think you've said it very beautifully.
Uh,
Now let's go to the fun part. Let's do a rapid fire round with both of you. And of course you have to be quick, you have to be quirky. आपको एक one word answers देने and आपको fast होना है.
oh my
तो
God.
मैं आप दोनों के साथ एक rapid fire round खेलूंगा. So who is stricter at work? प्रीति जी आप या पवन जी आप?
मैं
I think that comes with the personality of being a teacher. या फिर that comes with the personality of being a wife. I don't know what. But
I know what is actually a need at that moment of time, so that I can see the future में वो कैसे impact करने वाला है. There is no negotiation for the quality and particular deliverables.
नहीं
Basically,
हाँ.
मैम वो आपके स्कूल में कुछ नहीं खाएगा क्योंकि मैं उसको रोटी भी ग्राइंड करके देती हूँ, इसलिए मैं इसका एडमिशन बाद में कराऊँ.
Very interesting. Any no worries. I think. So if not education, what business would you be running today? प्रीति जी आप पहले.
Anything related to the luxury.
Anything related to luxury. क्या बात है. बढ़िया. Anything specific? Luxury bags, luxury I don't know what, cars,
Makeup.
makeup. अरे वाह.
Yes.
पवन जी आप क्या करते हैं अगर एजुकेशन नहीं कर रहे होते?
Luxury cars.
क्या बात है. Amazing. One parenting hack every young parent must know. हाँ प्रीति जी.
Before correcting, connect with the child. If you can hack this thing, then you will enjoy the childhood like anything never before in your life.
Wow.
I'm,
And
the question doesn't come to me. I'm also learning from her.
तो आपका parenting hack is learn from the best and you're
Yes,
learning
yes,
from प्रीति जी. तो
I think talk about Pawan that his is at your service. Pawan ji बच्चों के लिए at your service. I
अरे
think
वाह.
from 0 months to 25 years of Mohan at your service.
अरे वाह. नहीं, that's a very underrated quality of a parent. Like just show up every day. आपको नहीं पता है क्या हो रहा है, आपको नहीं पता है क्या करना है. Just show up. Just be there for your kid. Just be there every day.
He is there actually. I used to say sometime to my kids, he's your dad, not your genie. Subconscious trust of kids. When I said connect before
100%.
correcting, connect before, so he invisibly connected with him.
Wow. नहीं, that's very beautiful and कई बार as parents, of course, as new parents, हमको पता ही नहीं होता क्या करना है, क्या हो रहा है हमारे साथ में, बच्चे के साथ क्या करना है, क्यों रो रहे हैं, क्या चाहिए, कुछ पता नहीं होता.
Parenting doesn't come with manual.
and just showing up is like a very underrated quality, but very beautiful. I think Pavan ji, I think at your service is a very good hack जो प्रीति जी ने identify किया in you. So
It's a
good.
journey. Parenting is a journey, basically. It's a journey of three people, basically, nurturing a child together. एक बच्चा, एक मदर, फादर सारे हैं. It's a joint
Wow.
venture, basically.
Joint venture. आपने इसको भी business बना दिया. बढ़िया. So what's one myth about preschool you want to bust right now? हाँ प्रीति जी.
Preschool सिर्फ खेलने की जगह नहीं है, but play is a serious work of our childhood. Children learn
Wow.
best with the play.
Wow.
It is not
It's
the
a
preparation
play.
for a formal school. It is a preparation for a life.
Wow. And Pavan ji.
Preschool is basically building for the roots for the tree, basically. जैसे पेड़ को बढ़ने के लिए रूट्स इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, ऐसे प्रीस्कूल इज इंपॉर्टेंट नीड फॉर अ चाइल्ड टू बिल्ड अप हिज
हाँ.
फ्यूचर.
Wow. And if a Bollywood actor had
रूट्स
to
मजबूत रहेंगे, जितना रूट्स मजबूत रहेंगे उतना ट्री अच्छा रहेगा, उतना हेल्दी रहेगा ट्री. तो रूट्स के ऊपर हमें फोकस करना चाहिए. इट्स अ रूट्स ऑफ द
foundation पे.
फाउंडेशन.
Yeah. Very true. बहुत अच्छा आपने बोला. If Bollywood actor had to play you in a movie about petals, अगर petals पे एक मूवी बने और कोई Bollywood actor आपका रोल प्ले करे, आप दोनों का, तो who would that be? हाँ प्रीति जी.
Who will play our role? Kareena Kapoor with me,
अरे वाह.
and
अरे वाह.
Akshay Kumar with Pawan ji.
आपने ऑलरेडी असाइन कर दिया. मैं पवन जी से पूछूं उसके पहले आपने.
So, what do you call that? Key and Ka movie you have seen? Key and Ka?
हाँ जी. हाँ जी.
Who is the actor, man?
Uh,
Bonnie
this
Kapoor?
person.
But,
हाँ हाँ हाँ. Uh, हाँ. So you would want him to play a role of Pawan ji. अरे वाह. बढ़िया बढ़िया. No.
Most innocent and most impactful.
नहीं नहीं, amazing amazing. So this was such an inspirational and heartwarming conversation, Preeti ji and Pawan ji. You're the visionaries behind Petals preschool and daycare, and जहाँ तक ये आया है, and I'm sure there's a long way to go जहाँ Petals पहुँचेगा. There is lot of happy children, happy parents, millions of lives impacted जो अभी Petals की journey को देखना है, and I'm sure it's going to be really exciting decade ahead for Petals. If you're a parent looking for the best start for your child, check out Petals near you. And if you're an entrepreneur who wants to build a profitable, purpose-driven business with high ROI, this might be your chance to bring Petals to your city. We'll drop all the details in the episode description. Until next time, this is Jatin signing off from the Success Playbook, where we decode journeys of leaders and help you script your own success story. Thanks Pawanji, thanks
thank
Preeti ji.
you.